Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, and our latest video for this Volvo XC60. This is the SE LUX NAV D4 Auto. Car was first registered 1st of March 2017, having completed just under 59,000 miles. Car's finished in Mussel blue metallic. It's a 2-former keeper vehicle, benefiting from a comprehensive service history comprising 7 services in total, 4 done by Volvo and 3 done by independent main dealers. Last done at 56,000 miles, April 24. Next service is due in 15,000 miles or 9 months. MOT valid through until the 18th of April 2025. It's a Euro 6 diesel engine, so it's compliant with the ultra low emission zones. It's the 187 diesel, actually automatic. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG of 60 to the gallon. Excellent set of tyres. Fronts are brand new. Offside rear is on 7mm of tread, and the near side rear is just over 4mm of tread. As with the exterior of this Volvo, likewise the interior is in very good condition for its age and its mileage. It features a host of nice factory options, 6 in total, one of which being the leather interior. Also has the family pack, the privacy glass. It's got the front and rear parking sensors, the park assist with rear view camera, as well as automatic dimming exterior mirrors, obviously along with the standard interior mirror. Being the SE Lux, you've got electric folding wing mirrors, cruise control. It's got the heated front windscreen, automatic windscreen wipers, automatic xenon headlights, heated front seats. The driver's seat is electrically operated with memory function, sat nav, AM FM radio, as well as DAB, CD, DVD player, USB connectivity, voice control, twin 12-volt charging points. This Volvo is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. Be supplied with 2 remote control keys, tonneau covers present in the boot, as are the internal mats, book packs present, as well as the inflator and gel pack. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireUsedCars.co.uk, where you'll find the reservation facilities, part exchange and warranty pages, customer testimonials, as well as an interactive finance calculator giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.